This short video is going to be a really quick tutorial on how easy it is to take a fillable PDF and personalize it for your own needs. I'm going to assume that you have already purchased your document on Etsy and have downloaded it to your computer. For the sake of illustration purposes, I'm going to use this one here. And you have to open it using a document reader or a PDF reader. Adobe Reader is free and it works great for this. That's going to open the document on your screen. And once it's open in Adobe Reader, you're going to see all of these blue blocks. These are all the places that you can either insert text, make edits, add information. And in order to do that, all you have to do is click into the box, and you'll see the cursor there, and type what you want to have. You can just go box by box as you need to. One nice thing about this is that all of the fonts and sizes are editable for you. So in order to do that, you just have to go in and highlight the text that you've already put in and hit Control E or Command E if you're on a Mac to open up this text properties dialog up here. And this will help you choose different fonts and different sizes for that highlighted text. So you can easily come in here and change the size if you want to make it bigger. You can change the font to a different font, and it's very, very easy to do. When you're done and you've done all of your edits, you just want to go ahead and save the document to your computer and then print it out as a PDF. The nice thing about this is you can open this up over and over again, and, delete the text that you put in and put your new text in. So you can use this template over and over again. Hope that helped. Thanks.